Set out primary colored baking soda. Plus pink baking soda because every activity needs a dose of pink. Along with primary colored vinegar in clear cups. Cassandra, do you need help? Sasha, that looks great. Hello, Diana. Please begin the assignment.
You should be careful.
Careful about what?
I heard there's girls talking and they said they'll beat you up.
Beat me up? But I didn't even do anything.
You think they care? You are a threat to them. Especially Nadia. Listen, I'm going to skip this class. You should come.
I don't know about that. I don't want to get in trouble, especially with my mom.
Don't even worry about it. The teacher is crazy. He won't even notice. Do you want to try some?
No, I'm good. I don't smoke cigarettes. Where are you from?
I am from Russia.
Russia? Really? How is it there?
Alright, as soon as I turn 18, I'm going back.
It's like how I feel about going back to Jamaica.
You are from Jamaica? Do you smoke weed then?
Sometimes. Do you hear that?
Oh, that is probably Louis. He is from Jamaica as well.
Why you're not in class?
Never da feel the vibe. So I come out here, bun a spliff. You want some?
You don't realize how red your eyes. The teacher them can't see you.
Not too worry about that. We have gym later. So, we'll go swim. You a skip class and you ask me why me a skip class. Why you a skip class?
Trying to avoid the drama.
Look why you original smoker. Yo, what's good, Sasha?
Louis, did you bring extra for me?
I got you. Don't worry.
You two look good together. You should date.
No, Sasha, you know I'm too busy for that.
We'll keep her company because Keenan is getting her into trouble.
Keenan? Yo, that guy's an idiot.
Keenan is cheating on Nadia with her friend Cassandra.
Really? So I should be the least of her problems?
Nadia doesn't know, that's why she's attacking you. I have to go. I will see you later.
So you like Keenan?
No, him just keep on a follow me. And him mad girlfriend want to fight me.
Alright, how about this? May I whoop her, so he must stay away from you, because I'm afraid of me.
Really? That would be good, cause we can't deal with the drama. Can I deal with that already in my old school?
Alright, but I'm in a date right now, alright? I'm too busy with class and all them something there. But just want to help you, because you're a nice girl. Before we go get lunch.
Look who just entered in, the losers. And she made a friend with another loser. Hello, would you like to join the science club? It's really fun and I think you'll enjoy yourself. Not even, I ain't join no club. I'm not a loser. But you would get extra credit if you join. Well, you could make a donation if you don't want to join. Yo, what's wrong with this girl? Leave. Well, I hope you change your mind because we will be in the auditorium after school.
Oh, Nadia, I'm gonna go get something to drink. You want something? A Coke or Canada Dry?
Nah, I'm good still.
He's with that girl again. Look, Nadia. How many times did I talk to you? Stop talking to my man. Do you want me to box you in your face or something?
Sasha, let's leave.
She didn't say anything to her boyfriend. Oh, so you're gonna walk away like I wasn't talking to you? This girl. Like she deaf or something?
What's your problem? Why you stalking me for?
Nobody's stalking you. Stop talking to my man, you hoe. Like get your own boyfriend.
Mad girl, nobody know why you're mad.
What? Say that again. I don't understand what you're saying. Speak English, idiot girl.
You tell me to speak English and yet you use our slang?
Yo, keep running off your mouth. You don't know me. You don't know where I'm from. I'll beat your ass. I come from Jane and Finch.
Nadia, yo, relax. Why you overreacting and stuff? I didn't even do anything. Yo, Diani, what go on? What the excitement about? Anyways, we get one rose for Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you so much, Lois. I love it. You're so sweet.
That's your boyfriend? I don't believe it. You better believe it, dog.
Lois, can you please tell these people send me a date because them are act mad? Lois, behave now, I'm to you.
What a lovely couple. Now bye bye crazy people.
God, she's dating Louis. He's hot. At least she finds someone that understands her.
Finally, I get tired of them.
No say a thing, man. They cool.
Boy, you're talented, bud. You can play every instrument and you're a good actor.
Louis, that was acting. It felt real to me.
It was Sasha. He was just helping me out.
We should go buy hamburger.
How about pizza?
Yeah, man, Diani, pizza sound good.
I don't like pizza at school.
Well, let's go outside and buy it then.
What? You're actually cooking? I'm shocked. What are you making for us?
Some spicy sausages.
Spicy like yours.
Oh, mommy, don't play me like that.
Oh my god. Miguel, it's too hot. How much pepper did you put in this?
It's not that bad. Oh.
Not bad. Yet your mouth's on fire. You shouldn't put so much pepper in it. That's why it's so hot. Okay?
I'm sorry, mommy. I was just trying to make breakfast for you.
Thanks, but leave all the cooking to me. Because I don't know what that was. At least you tried though. So what you want me to cook for dinner? Curry chicken?
Yo, that bully beef tastes great.
Alright, you have to go pick it up from the store. Because I'm not going. Besides, I forgot a place to go get back my lamp. Kinda vexed still, cause I really want to see them two mad people there, you know what I mean? But my granny gave me that lamp, so I really need it back.
Annie, let me come with you.
Oh, thanks, Miguel. I don't need the drama.
I have a brown baby in my belly. I hope it's a female brown baby. I will teach her about the winds and water of this land.
Still a damn mad gal. I really hope somebody calls CPS on her. God, it's still there.
Annie, are you still mad with me? Annie, are you still mad with me? I would like for us to become friends.
That sound like her. Why would I want to be friends with you?
Because sometimes we have to forgive people to move on.
Yeah, but me no want to forgive you.
Annie, don't be like that. Come, let me and you talk about this. I am sorry that I hurt you. I was young and dumb.
What? It wasn't even that long ago. What do you mean young and dumb? You make it sound like you was a teenager or something.
Please try to understand. I will make us some tea and we will talk about this.
I'd rather drink mad puss piss than drink something from you.
Ha! I know you're joking, you were always funny. That's what I love most about you.
Look here, I'm gonna leave you now. Cause obviously something wrong with you. You start sound like a mad person like she. You must have take the same drugs. Bitch. God, you stink. I'm green. Wanna be it.
Why are you so down and out? What's going on? You came back with a sad face. Oh, Annie, you make things bother you too much. Come on.
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's just sad.
Well, mommy, I got a surprise for you. This is gonna make you happy. I saved up all my money and I bought 2 plane tickets for me and you to go to Jamaica to go visit your family. What do you think about that?
You serious, Miguel? You really mean it? I can't believe this. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Miguel. I really appreciate this.
Anything for you, my love. Now come show me that little Jamaican dance so you wind up your waist.
You're so stupid. Thank you.
It's fine. Now come. Dance. Let's have some fun. No more sad face, alright? Come on. Shake that waist. Let me see it. You know I love it.